Hello viewers, welcome to the channel Amazing Civil Engineering Studies. Time to enter the world of civil engineering. Here we will learn about different concepts related to civil engineering. Please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more new updates. In today's video we are going to discuss about MIVAN Shuttering. Latest technology in construction. What is MIVAN technology? This innovative form of work is actually suitable for constructing houses in large quantities at a faster speed. The speed of construction needs to be given greater importance, especially for large housing projects or township project. In order to respond to these unusual challenges in terms of time, cost, and quality, the real estate industry has come up with a smart method of construction known as the MIVAN Formwork system. MIVAN technology has been used widely in Europe, Asia, Gulf countries, and other parts of the globe. It is suitable for constructing a large number of houses in a short period of time using room-size forms to construct walls and slabs in one constant pour on concrete. MIVAN shuttering is a fast-paced construction technique which offers strength and durability to a building by use of aluminum formworks. The MIVAN technology, or the aluminum formwork system, was developed by a European company. Later in 1990, the MIVAN Company Ltd started manufacturing these formworks, hence giving the name MIVAN technology. Use in India. So far, the technology has not been used extensively in India. The concept is popular in Gulf countries, Europe, and some parts of Asia. However, its use is being promoted in India to realize the most ambitious government scheme Housing for All by 2022. Mehul Thakur, Director, Viva Homes, asserts, to make housing affordable for masses, there is a need to focus on new construction technologies which can reduce construction time and cost. MIVAN shuttering is the solution to this. In addition to saving time and money, the technology can also ensure quality and strength of buildings. Major components of MIVAN Formwork. MIVAN Formwork components are divided into 4 types based on the location of use. 4 wall components: A. Wall panel, B. Rocker, C. Kickers, and D. Stub pin. Beam components: A. Beam side panel, B. Prop head and panel for soffit beam. Deck components: A. Deck panels, B. Deck prop and prop length, C. Soffit length. Other components. The other elements used excluding the wall, beam, and deck parts are internal and external soffit corners, exterior and interior edges for wall panels. MIVAN Formwork components, Erection, features, comparison. MIVAN Formwork is the advanced formwork system made of strong and sturdy aluminum components that has great strength, durability, simple to install, adaptable, and is used in the construction of residential units and mass housing projects. Components of MIVAN Formwork. The components of MIVAN Formwork are divided into 4 types based on the location of use. Wall components, beam components, deck components, other components. Wall components. Wall panel. The basic and major component of MIVAN Formworks is the wall panels. It forms the face of the wall made out of an aluminum sheet properly cut to fit the exact size of the wall. Rocker is an L-shaped panel having allotment holes for stub pin to support the wall panels. Kickers. It acts as a ledge to support the wall panels by forming a wall face at the top of the panel. Stub pin. It is the joining component of all other wall components. Beam components. Beam side panel. It is a rectangular structure cut into the required size of the beam which forms the sides of the beams. Prop head and panel for soffit beam. In the beams, where there is no support from the bottom, prop heads are used to support the beam. It a V-shaped head for to formwork. Soffit beam panel is a rectangular aluminum structure placed in the prop head to support the soffit beams. Deck components. Deck panels. A horizontal flat surface upon which the slab is cast. Deck prop and prop length. Deck prop is the same as that of beam deck prop. Here it is used to support the slab and bears the load coming on the deck panel. Prop lengths are the vertical support to the deck prop which are adjustable as per the slab height. Soffit length provides support to the edge of the deck panels at their perimeter of the room. Other components. The other components used excluding wall, beam, and deck components are internal and external soffit corners, exterior and interior corners for wall panels. Mivan construction technique. Setting up the wall reinforcing steel. The wall reinforcing steel is used to give a structure to the building and support the concrete until they gain half of the required strength. The aluminum formworks are cast around the steel mesh, which is factory made, and directly erected on the construction site. Placement of aluminum formwork. Along the wall reinforcing steel, prefabricated room-sized walls and floor slabs are erected. These aluminum alloy slabs are accurately made and are easy to handle. Spaces for windows, ducts, doors, and other features such as staircases, facade panels and chadjas are also integrated in these structures. The forms are joined together using the pin and wedge system, which can be dismantled quickly after the concrete structure is made. Pouring concrete. After casting the forms, high-quality concrete is poured. This concrete takes the form and shape of the cast, which is later removed to make way for a structure made entirely of cement concrete supported by wall reinforcing steel. The aluminum forms can be reused at least 250 times, resulting in minimum waste from the construction site. The resulting structure is accurate, smooth, and finished. It has high tolerance and requires no further plastering. As air salt, it saves time, effort, and money. Features of MIVAN Formwork. The major features of MIVAN Formwork are given below. 1. Load carrying capacity. The load carrying capacity of MIVAN Formwork is 7 to 8 tons per square meter. MIVAN Formwork is lightweight and weighs around 18 to 20 kg per meter square. 2. Striking time. The striking time of vertical wall formwork is 12 hours after concreting or when concrete strength has reached 2N/mm2 and horizontal deck formwork is 36 hours after concreting or when concrete strength has reached 10N/mm2. 3. Durability. As the panels of MIVAN Formwork are made of structural grade aluminum alloy, they are very durable and sturdy. A single component can be repeated around 200 times. 4. Cycle time. High speed of construction can be achieved by this system. That means faster completion of the project. Approximately, the times required to cast floor is 7 days with the use of MIVAN Formwork. Comparison between MIVAN Formwork and conventional formwork. Factors. Conventional formwork. MIVAN Formwork. Quality. Normal. Superior. Speed of construction. The pace of the construction is slow due to step-by-step completion of different stages of activities is required. Erection of formwork, concreting and shuttering is a 2-week cycle. In this system, the walls and floor are casted together in one continuous operation in matter of few hours, and inbuilt accelerated curing overnight enable removable and reuse of forms on daily cycle basis. External finishes. Cement plastered brickwork, painted with cement-based paint. Textured/patterned colored concrete fascia can be provided, which does not need frequent repainting. Factors. Conventional formwork. MIVAN Formwork. Aesthetics. In the case of RCC structural formwork of column and beams partition brick wall, the columns and beams show unsightly projections in room interiors. The room-sized wall panels and ceiling elements cast against steel plates having smooth finishes and interiors have neat and clean lines without unsightly projections in room interiors. Useful carpet area as % of plinth area. Efficiency around 83.5%. Efficiency around 87.5%. Consumption of raw materials cement. Normal. Consumption is more than that used in conventional structure. Steel. Less. High. Maintenance. High due to repairs in plaster of wall and ceiling, repainting, and leakages due to plumbing installations. The walls and ceiling being smooth and high-quality concrete repairs for plastering and leakage are at all required frequently. Advantages of MIVAN Formwork. High-quality formwork ensures consistency of dimensions. On removal of the mold, a high-quality concrete finish is produced to accurate tolerances and verticality. The total system forms the complete concrete structures. Custom designed to suit project requirements. Unsurpassed construction speed. Panels can be reused up to 250 times. It can be erected using unskilled labor. Disadvantages of MIVAN Formwork. The concealed surfaces become difficult due to the small thickness of components. It requires uniform planning as well as uniform elevations to be cost-effective. Modifications are not possible as all members are cast in RCC. The large volume of work is necessary to be cost-effective, i.e. at least 200 repetitions of the forms should be possible at work. The formwork requires a number of the spacer, wall ties, etc. which are placed at 2 feet cc. These create problems such as seepage, leakages during monsoon. Due to box-type construction, shrinkage cracks are likely to appear. The heat of hydration is high due to shear walls. Thanks for watching. For now, please subscribe, like, share and do not forget to press bell icon.